Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to play All Apologies by Nirvana on the ukulele. We're going to change the key a little bit. We're going to drop it down a half step down to C, where it's really convenient for our ukulele players. Okay, so the key is C. The chords are C, F major, and G major. So we start with the riff. So we start with a strum, a C chord, and on the second string, 0, twice, 1 fret, once, and then 0 again. So that sounds this way. So practice that first. Okay. Next is 3rd fret, 2nd string, twice. You can strum also as a chord, and then 1 fret, 2nd string, and then 0. So that sounds like this. There you go. That's the first riff. Next, same thing in the beginning. Same thing with that, but this time, so you're playing the 3, 1, 0 on the first string this time. Okay, so there you go. Next one is the first riff. Same thing, and then the 4th time you play it. The next one is you play that first, and then you slide your 3rd finger. That's 7, 7, 5, 3, and that forms the whole intro. Okay, so it sounds like this. There you go. Next, during the verse, as you're singing it, you can change that last riff an octave lower. That's simply 0, 0 on the 2nd string, 2nd fret, 3rd string, and then 0, 3rd string. So instead of sliding it, you can choose to do that or just down here. Okay, so and you can strum the strings while doing that while you're singing the verse. The chorus, very simple, F major all throughout the chorus, and when you reach that last part, married, that's G major. You can change it up to G7 the very last time. Buried, I think. Married, buried, then verse again. For the ending is the same thing. Same riff all the way to the ending. Alright, so I hope this helps you out, and I'll see you in the next ukulele video lesson. Have a good day. Bye-bye.